There are different YouTube videos saying that, okay, let's do it in 2 months, let's do it in 3 months. No, it is not possible. Actually, you are just a human. You don't have that robotic capacity. You don't have that, brain working like a machine. You can't do that. If you try to finish it. Alright, so hey guys, what's up? My name is Siddharth and you're watching Inicet. So those of you who don't know me, I'm a medical student. I'm a fourth year medical student, and there's hardly 1.5 years left for me to graduate. So I have come a long way in this medicine study. So today's video is just all about, can we finish this whole MBBS syllabus in left over 3 months? I mean, February, March and April. I guess in April you have the exam. So can you do that? My straight up answer would be no. But yeah, rather than giving up, the best thing we could do is try it down smartly. So if you try it down smartly rather than giving up, it would be a good option. So what are the things you need to be, considering about in this 2 months or 3 months, whatever time is left over for NEET 2021? There are some questions in every exam which no one is able to do. Like hardly 1% or less than 1% students are able to perform in those questions. What are the questions you don't need to worry about? If you do it wrong, doesn't matter. Most of the students are doing it wrong. So what are the subjects whose marks most of the students, I mean, like more than 90% students are going to score? So like subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, these are the subjects, they are relatively very easy in comparison to subjects like medicine, surgery and few other subjects. So what are the marks which you need to focus totally about? Now the straight up answer is no, you can't finish this syllabus if you have not done anything, if you have not just read anything, or you are just totally blank what to do in these 2 months. I'm sorry guys, you can't score, but the thing you can do is try it down smartly. So for basic subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, in these subjects, what you need to do, mug up all the facts, all the previous year questions. What are the questions asked last 5 years, and what are the facts which are very common, and which are asked frequently. You just need to mug it up down and solve as much questions as you can, because you don't have any time left over for theory. So if you go down, try to finish every part of these subjects in basic subjects. So like biochemistry, if you try down finishing all the theory with very good speed, it will take you at least a week to finish biochemistry. You can't finish biochemistry in like 1, 2, 3 days. At least you need a week. For physiology also, anatomy also, microbiology also, pathology also, you need at least a week for each subject, and you don't have this much of time. You can't give up a week for one single subject. So just mug all the facts up, just solve as much MCQs you can, just try to remember everything which is frequently asked from these subjects, from medicine, from surgery, from PSM. Now these are the 3 very important subjects which are going to form a big chunk of questions for you. For like PSM at least 25 to 30 questions are asked in every exam. So PSM also, mark down all the national health programs, everything about vaccination, because these days vaccinations are really very important considering this pandemic going on. So about medicine and surgery, now these 2 subjects are very big subjects and are very hectic subjects for us medical students. So in medicine and surgery, there are few very important units which you can't miss down. The first unit for medicine is endocrinology. Guys, don't ever miss down endocrinology and go to sit in NEET PG or any Institute of National Importance exams, because endocrinology is asked frequently. Endocrinology is most important topic of medicine for NEET PG. After endocrinology, go for renal medicine, you can go for rheumatology, go for general medicine. Don't forget general medicine. In surgery, so from that note, let's turn down to surgery. So in surgery, you can't miss gastric system. You have to know everything about that. You have to know everything about burns. You have to know everything about trauma management. You have to know everything about surgical nutrition. You have to everything know about wounds and all. These are the very important topics of surgery and medicine. You need to know, and then you have to sit in that examination. So let's turn down to some short subjects. You have to finish radiology. X-ray, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound. Ultrasound you can just study a little and go, but CT scan, MRI, X-ray, you need to know everything about these things, because you know it's not just only about radiology. You don't know about CT scan, you can't do questions from neurosurgery, so you need to know all these things. So these are few topics about, I'm not going too much in detail. If I go too much in detail, it would be a very long video, and I don't want to make this a long video, just keeping it short. So in the end, if you have made till here, there's a bonus tip for all of you. So which are the subjects which you can miss? Like these are the topics from different important subjects. So now let me tell you which are the important subjects which you can miss. First of all is medicine, second surgery, pediatrics, obs-gynae, PSM, pharmac, psychiatry and orthopedics. These are the 8 subjects which I feel you don't need to miss. You have to know most of the things about these subjects. If you have finished these subjects, you can just, you know, focus on solving MCQs. In other subjects, you can just focus on like a little bit on microbiology, you can focus a little bit on pathology. You can't actually finish all the subjects in 2 months. So it takes at least 5 to 6 years for different students to be a doctor. You know, you need to study these 19 subjects in 6 years. So you can't expect yourselves to, you know, just finish all these subjects in 2 months. You can't do, and it's practically impossible, you know. Trust me, it takes 3-4 months to just finish medicine, more for me. So you can do so. So these are the subjects which you can do, you can miss down. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a like and subscribe. You know, your subscribing is like one motivation for me, because I don't have time. I just came from a trip after like 2 weeks. I'm just off from everything. For 2 weeks I was like I gave my mind everything off. Like I didn't study, I just roam, I just met my friends, I just enjoyed. Now I'm back here on my study table. Now it's you and it's me. So if you want me make another video, you can just suggest me topics. And if you want me to make important videos from different subjects, you can comment down below. I will try to make one more video whenever I get time. I won't promise you guys. So whenever I get time, I will try to make one video for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys in another video. Till then, stay healthy, take care, and peace out, guys.